Hello, I am Michael Massey with Sanvio's Innovation Services. As part of Sanvio's Prefab Powerhouse University, I am here today to present our Prefab Excel Configurator. We've seen many companies struggle with getting started with prefabrication and construction, but companies really struggle with bringing prefabrication to scale. Most companies start prefabrication as a job-based or job-specific effort. The natural evolution is to standardize assemblies across multiple projects. This is a very challenging process. Getting agreement and buy-in from different project teams is very difficult. Sanvio's Prefab Excel Configurator is an Excel spreadsheet that can be used to identify the details of your prefab assemblies, as well as give you a way to collect the data needed to support the standardization effort. It is completely customizable to fit your company's needs. It comes with two starter configurators, one for hangers and one for in-wall devices. These, being the most common prefab assemblies, will allow you to start standardizing your assemblies today. As you can see, it is very simple to use with a series of drop-downs. As you select the key components, an assembly code is automated. The configurator comes with definitions for quantity, assembly category, strut profile, strut length, strut end finish, rod length, and rod size. This will allow you to also begin to quantify materials for both strut and rods. The in-wall assembly configurator allows you to specify key components for in-wall assemblies. Each of these configurators are driven by data that is defined on the Definitions tab. These definitions can be modified and customized to fit your needs. As you redefine the data, the formulas in the configurator are updated automatically. These two configurators can be copied to define other assembly types to meet all your needs. As you define more clarity as to which assembly types to standardize in your company, the definitions can be decreased to allow fewer options that will simplify the assembly process. This will assist you in defining what assemblies to standardize to span across multiple projects. Sanvio has been supporting construction companies since 2008 by leading the charge in BIM, VDC, prefabrication, and construction technology adoption. With more than 600 projects completed, we have gained the experience and knowledge needed to guide you through the complexity of process change. Helping organizations solve complex issues with solutions that are simple to use is what we are passionate about. We would be excited to bring this passion to your organization and help guide you to a complexity simplified solution just for you. To get started in this process, simply use the Schedule a Pre-Discovery Call button below for your free 1-hour consultation session. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe below and get your free copy of the Excel file covered in today's session.